Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my name is Michelle, and if you are new, welcome. If you are not a subscriber, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. So, stick around and let me show you how I got that look. So, first of all, I started off with my color corrector. Just to be clear, I already primed my skin and everything. I just didn't show it on camera. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my skin with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my primer. I love to do that because I think it's just better to work with it instead of it being wet and then you put the foundation on top of it. It just, you know, turns to take everything out of place. So I think this is very good. I took this one Jackie Anna. So with that being said, after that I'm gonna go in with my F brow pencil, and I'm using the shade brown, right? Brown, I think it's a brown pencil. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows, and yeah. So if you guys want to see a more in-depth video on how I fill in my brows, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will be happy to do a video only on my brows. Okay, so after that I'm gonna go ahead and fill and brush in my brows at the beginning, and then make it look all nice and clean. And then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer, and the color is fawn. I didn't get that on camera, but it's fawn. I'm just gonna use this little, I think this is like a smudge eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna use that to, conceal my brows and all that good stuff. So yeah. So for the top of my brows, guys, I am using my foundation shade because I love for that to be as natural as possible. So I don't use any highlight up there. I just keep it completely my shade. Okay. So for my foundation, I'm using the oh my god, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I think it pop up on the screen, but if it didn't, I'm gonna still leave the link in the description box below. So if you want to check out any product that I use, just make sure to check out the description box below, and everything will be there. So I use my same concealer that I used earlier to conceal my brows. That's the same concealer I'm using to highlight under my eye, under my eyes, my nose, and under my cheek and my forehead. And I using my same beauty blender to blend it. If you want to know, I got this beauty blender from Walmart. So in any Walmart, you're gonna see these orange beauty blenders. It's like 2 in the packs. So yeah. So guys, you just want to make sure you blend that really well. My whole foundation and concealer routine is just a good blend. We get you that flawless, the flawless look you were looking for. Flawless. There you go. Flawless. Okay. So yeah. So then I'm using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set for this. I use this to set under my eyes, my eyelid, and my nose, the bridge of my nose. I think my forehead a little bit, and that was it. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do after this. And then I'm going in with my True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. And I use this square looking brush that I got from the dollar store, and I just use that to, to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and under my cheek, under my jaw or my cheek, whichever one it is. And I'm using my black opal. This is the invisible powder. It basically blends with whatever color that you have underneath, so it just blends into my foundation. I just use that to, like, set the rest of my face because I don't want it to look so white and pale. So then I'm contouring my nose. I use this little small brush to contour my nose. I think I got this. I'm not sure what this brush is from, but I'm gonna try to look for the name and leave it under this on the description box below. And I'm using one of my brushes from BH Cosmetics brush set, and it's fluffy. It's like a foundation brush. I'm just using it to dustle with the access powder from on my eyelid and under my eyes and basically my whole face. So basically, I'm like blending it into my skin as it does away, and I'm using my NYX white liquid liner for, my line, my, what is it called? For my eyeliner. And guys, I'm not really good at doing the eyeline or whatever this is called. I always messed up on the other side, so I didn't get that on camera because I was more focusing on trying to get it as precise as this first one that I'm doing. So we're gonna miss a little bit of the clip, okay? Like I told you. So I'm gonna leave the name of these products in the description box below. I didn't get this on camera, so I couldn't put the picture up here, but I'm using the NYX Velvet liquid liners. So the first one I used was the pink one. I think it's called what is it called? Guys, I'm gonna leave the name of, I used three of them, the red, the pink, and the yellow. I'm gonna leave the names of all three in the description box below, okay? So we're just poking a dot on our eyelid. I wanted to this look to be more like a what is it called? What is it called? Oh my god. Guys, I'm looking for the name, but basically this look is just a glitter tears look, but it was more of I can't put the words together right now, but you will see the whole look. So guys, this is not anything precise or anything. You just draw the line. I mean, you just put the dots to where you see it fits and how it looks to you. If it look okay, if you need to add more, blah blah blah. So that's what I did here. I was just putting dots of, and I went back in with a little white liner. And with the white liner, I tried to make it like a stroke instead of the dots. So just to make it, I don't know, I just play around with it just to make it look the way I want it to be. And that's the only way you can say this. So then I go in with some mascara to try to, you know, to get that white off my eyelashes. And I'm using I think you saw the lashes, the mascara I use, right? Is the Maybelline Grit Lashes. Then I'm going in with my Love lashes, and I'm using the London. And then we went in for a little bit of blush after applying the lashes, and I used the BH Cosmetics little blush highlight and all that good stuff palette. And after that, we just gonna highlight, okay? And the highlight I use is the Born to Glow NYX palette. And yeah, I use this big fluffy brush just to make sure I blend that highlight into my skin because I didn't want it to be so harsh or anything. And I use my pinky to put some highlight on my nose, just to make that look good, guys. That's all. And I just went back in with the same brush I used for my contour just to clean any excess highlight that went on the contour. That's all. And then I used my Nika K New York matte true matte lipstick, and these are hard to work with, guys. If you use this, it's very hard to work with when you are trying to do like a ombre look because it dry really fast, super fast. And it just, to me, I struggle with this when I was doing this lip because I had to work around it. I wanted it to blend more efficiently. I just wanted it to look so good. I just didn't want it to be like blend. I mean, with that harsh, like this. I didn't want it to be like that. So I will, at some point in this video, I went in with a brush. You can use any brush. I used this big eyeshadow brush from Morphe Cosmetics, and I just use it. And I think I put a little bit of the blue lipstick on the back of my hands, and I pat the brush into it, and then I try to like blend it on my lips, just to get it really well, because I swear to you, it was super hard to work with this lipstick, but I still make it work though. I still make it work. I struggle with that. We probably last on that for like 20 to 30 minutes. And then for my glitter tears, I am using my NYX glitter primer. And then I use the NYX glitter body glitter. What is it called? Matte. Oh my god. I can't remember all this stuff. But I'm definitely gonna leave everything in my description box so you guys can check it out, just in case if you wanted to see it. And you can get this from your beauty supply store as well. So then you can use any small brush that you have, like a lip brush, small or really little small eyeshadow brush. You can use it to apply, like to spread out your glitter primer, and then you can use that same brush to apply your glitter on, and that's all I did. So I have fun doing this look, y'all. I kind of pre-did it before I actually did a video. I did like one side of my face the day before. And this is it, guys. So we just gonna go put on some hoops and some hair, and we're back. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, join my little group here, and I will be posting every week, like 1 or 2 video every week. So yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to share my video, guys. I'll see you. Bye, smooshes.